Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Upwork. Whether you've recently changed your legal name or just want to update how you appear to clients, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Upwork.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in to your account. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to your Upwork dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your profile and account settings. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This is where you'll find all the controls for managing your personal information and preferences on the platform. Once you're in the Account Settings area, turn your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll see various categories listed. Click on Contact Info. This section contains all your essential details like your name, email address, and other contact information that Upwork uses to identify your account. In the right panel, you'll now see your current contact information displayed. Look for the Edit icon and click on it. This will allow you to modify the details that are currently saved in your profile. The Edit function ensures that you can keep your information accurate and up to date. Now you'll see fields where you can enter your new information. Type your first name in the appropriate field. Make sure it's spelled exactly how you want it to appear on your Upwork profile, as this is what clients will see when they view your account. Next, move to the last name field and type your last name. Again, double-check the spelling to ensure everything looks correct. Having your name displayed accurately is important for maintaining professionalism on the platform. Finally, click Update. This will save all the changes you've just made to your account. Your new name will now be reflected across your Upwork profile and in all client-facing areas of the platform. And that's it. You've successfully updated your name on Upwork. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.